At the Excel Truck Group, we're committed to keeping our customers on the road. We're also committed to providing the best solutions to maximize your vehicle uptime. We're able to offer efficient ways to extend your truck's life. A great example is the DEX Eaton-authorized remanufactured transmission.
My name is David Fairbanks. I'm the Fixed Operations Director for Excel Truck Group. What our customers value from a reman product is a quality product at a lower cost. DEX provides a low-cost, quality, remanufactured part, used part, at a lower cost, and it drives their bottom line. So having the transmissions in stock has enabled us to turn a truck in a lot of cases the same day.
My name is Brent Ferguson. I am the parts manager at Excel Truck Group in Roanoke, Virginia. DEX's product is among the most competitive that we have found, and again with the warranty and the availability, I think that's what our customers are looking for.
The DEX Eaton Reman transmissions come with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and are backed coast to coast by the Road Ranger network for added peace of mind. The Excel Truck Group and DEX Heavy Duty Parts are your partners for uptime and profitability.